A close-up of a single false post being created on a social media platform. The interface is clean and modern, but the content of the post is clearly misleading. A split screen showing the post being shared by multiple automated bots. The bots are represented by simple geometric shapes, and their actions are fast and repetitive. A dynamic visualization of the post spreading across a network of interconnected nodes. The nodes represent individual users, and the connections represent their relationships. A close-up of an algorithm at work, amplifying the reach of the false post. The algorithm is represented by a complex, abstract pattern that pulsates with energy. A montage of people from different cultures and backgrounds reacting to the false post. Some are shocked, some are angry, and some are simply confused. A wide shot of the Earth, with lines of data flowing across its surface, representing the global spread of misinformation. The image is both beautiful and terrifying. A concerned doctor sits across from a patient, a pamphlet on vaccine safety visible on the desk between them. The doctor gestures empathetically, attempting to address the patient's hesitancy. Close-up on a smartphone, displaying a sensationalized article about a miracle cure, contrasted with a bottle of legitimate medication in the background, slightly out of focus. A split screen. On one side, a news clip of a trusted medical expert. On the other, a social media influencer promoting unverified health advice. The contrast highlights the conflict in information sources. A wide shot of a public health announcement billboard, partially obscured by graffiti questioning its validity, symbolizing the erosion of trust in healthcare institutions. A montage of news headlines flashing across the screen. Measles outbreak, linked to low vaccination rates. Local hospital overwhelmed. Public health emergency declared, illustrating the adverse outcomes of health misinformation. A diverse group of people lining up to receive vaccinations at a pop-up clinic, representing a community's effort to combat misinformation and protect public health. A wide shot of a bustling fact-checking center, employees diligently working at computers, verifying information. Monitors display various social media feeds and news articles. Close-up on a computer screen, displaying a flagged social media post with a prominent misinformation warning label. An employee clicks through to a fact-checking article debunking the claims. A split screen. On one side, a person mindlessly sharing a sensationalized headline on their phone. On the other, a graphic illustrating the importance of critical thinking and verifying sources before sharing. High-angle shot of a conference room where representatives from government and social media companies are discussing strategies to combat misinformation, focusing on systemic changes and source accountability.